I need to show you guys this faja. Look at how good it looks under a pair of jeans. You cannot even see anything. It looks so seamless. It's giving my booty a lift. And girl, look at all this space right here from it cinching in my waist. These are adjustable right here, girl. Let me show you the rest of the faja because, girl, this faja I just got today. And let me just tell you, it's at the top of my list. It's number one right now out of every single faja that I own. Do you guys see how tiny it's making my waist? And let me just tell you, I have really small hips. I have hip dips, and the fact that it's giving me some really nice hips is crazy. It also has a zipper right here, and look at the booty. Oh my gosh. You can also adjust these. I don't know if I said that, but
Mm. Okay na. Bamlatan. Ganun pala yun. Ganun pala ang siste. Yeah. XL size. Hershey, 120. Ganun pala. Hershey. Ayan. Thank you, madam. Okay, next tayo, next time. Bahala damutan na pa nagbiagdan. Inormutan. Okay, thank you, Beb. Basta tahimik lang tayo sa umpisa. Okay, thank you, Beb. Next tayo. Ako'y tahimik lang sa umpisa. Alam, lumalabas yung jogging ko, be. Mali kasi yung cup ng bra ko, be. Hindi kasha. Okay, next tayo. Madam, size medium. Medium size kay Choco Brown, no? Size med. Highway Shonte, tago yung wet pack. Size med. 129. Code ako dito ng 33. Pa-code 33, code 33, 129. 33 ang code, 129. Pa-code 33, mine 33, 129, 129, 129. 33 ang code, 33 ang code, 129. Size medium. Medium size. Red CC, wait lang. Mare favor man. Bagkata naman baksi Jerwan. Aji code 11, Mari ang. 32 ko pang ubing gawin ajan. Yellow me, sige, sige. Okay, next tayo. Okay, tangkini. Ayan, bandana tangkini. Short kasama. Bot leg. Size medium. Medium mantag pa bot leg. Med size 129. 129, code ako dyan ng 35. Pa-code 35, code 35. 129. 35 ang code, 129 na. Tangkini yan, madam ha, 129. Pa-code 35, pa-code 35, 129. 35 ang code. 129 pesos. 129, 129. Open pa tayo isa. Isa pang box. Okay, next tayo. Ay, 35, sir. Que será, será. Whatever will be. The future's not us to see. Que será, patong mula sa to'y Mariko. Tilatan, kalaklata dam naman. Thank you, Mariko. I don't wanna talk about it. Say a 500. Thank you. 12345, 12345. Ayan. Thank you, Madam Sayang. Okay, next time. Ay. Okay, next tayo. Okay, next tayo. One-sided one piece. Ayan na. Okay, sige, sige. One-sided pa one piece, madam. Padded yan siya, madam, ha? Pang size XL. Size XL, XL on tag, XL on tag. Okay, next tayo one-sided. Size XL na. Ayan. XL on tag padded, madam. Size XL na. Pabackless, XL on tag one piece. 120. Code ako dyan ng 9. Pa-code ng 9, code ng 9. Di na mo nga pampanunutan mo. Sarili nila na nga pakanan di ubrain. Ayan, pa-code ng 9, code ng 9. 120. 120, 120. Masapa ko mga sumber ka dito pag hangerak man. Paikat ko ba na kita ning? Pasukatak da kita ni eta gudwa kami latan tanawan makunkunada. Bagadan to laki di paghanghangerak nga ana. Okay, size is small na. Ayan, small on tag, madam, small size. Oh, ang ganda. Polka dots, small na. Size is small, small size, small size. Ayan, 120. Code ako dyan ng 39 na. Pa-code 39, code 39, 120, 120. 39 ang code, 120 pesos. Miss Happy. Shalal na. 120. Ha? Miss Happy, 120. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you, ma'am. Sure. Okay, next time. Okay, madam, pang size, medium. Ada siguro magpa na. Mano na pack mo, mari ko. Pang manunga box na pack mo. Medium size. Okay, medium size. Size medium, medium montag, medium montag. Size medium size, 129. Code ako 40. Pa-code 40, mine 40, 129. 40 ang code. 129 pesos, 129. Hey, Jude. Lagbawal ako lang. Parang ikaw lang, ma. Charot. Okay. Screenshot. 129. Star girl. Thank you. Screenshot, comment, SSD. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, next. Next tayo. Okay, another tangkini. Okay, size large. Ay, ang ganda o large. Large one tag, shonti kasama. Pang large one tag. Large 109. Code 41. Code 41, 109. 41 ang code, 109 pesos. Pa-code 41, code 41, 109. 41 ang code, 109. Code 41, large. 109. Okay, next tayo.